stuck. If you send help, please. We're out in the middle.
The Brazos.
We're out in the middle of the Brazos. We can't.
We ran out of gas.
We ran out of gas.
There's no one here.
We're hundreds of miles away from civilization.
There's no phone service.
We don't.
Daddy, I love her, and also remember the life insurance policies.
Yes. Remember everything. Everything's in the safe. We love you guys. Tell the kids we love them. We're gonna try to climb out of this bank up here.
The locusts are attacking us. Theo, I think
We've had three.
Build a raft.
We've
we
had
build a raft.
Yeah, and we're gonna look for Wilson. See if we can find him. All right, wow! Something touched my foot. Something touched me.
Get out.